Alright, you guys. So we have these jumbo udon noodles.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness gracious almighty. Alright, you guys. Well, are we here?
I don't know.
Where are we at? What are we doing today?
We're doing our
Wednesday Hump Day Food Day! Woo! Alright, you guys, we're gonna have some good, hopefully yummy Vietnamese sandwiches at a, it's kind of like a food to go Vietnamese place.
Yeah.
But you can sit down and eat there if you want and everything like that. And then we're gonna do, what was it? Tiger sugar?
Mm-hmm.
Milk tea? Sounds interesting, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Ooh, alright. Well, are you guys hungry?
Yeah.
We're hungry, huh?
Uh-huh.
You guys ready? You want to go? Alright, let's go. Hey guys, we're here. Hope you enjoy. We're gonna go try our sandwich now. Okay. I'm so hungry. Are you hungry? Are you guys hungry? Okay, good. Let's go eat. Alright, you guys. So we're gonna hopefully go in here. I think they're open already. Yeah, it says open. And we have had Vietnamese sandwiches before. That's what we're gonna get in here. It's a Vietnamese sandwich and dessert place. It looks like part of the name is pho, which is soup. So, and then I think that writing, the compan, I can't pronounce it. Anyway, I'm a little white girl. That should be like a rice dish. The bun is noodle dishes. But we're gonna have Vietnamese sandwiches today. And then we're gonna go next door to this Tiger Sugar over here. Well, let's go in and eat. We're hungry. Cute little place that they have here. I like it. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna try and get some of these sandwiches. We just sat down. We're gonna get our order here in just a minute. Chad, do you know what you want yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, well, they give you a nice menu. Has some good pictures. I like that. That's always a plus.
Okay, you ready to order?
In just a minute. Can we have a minute?
And you're ready, you tell me no, okay?
Absolutely, thank you. Alright, you guys, so we're here. We made our order and we're just waiting for our sandwiches to come out. Super excited to try it, but I just wanted to tell you this was a cute little place to be. It's just off of Spring Mountain. I'll put all the address and everything below, but they have a good variety. They have the sandwiches, they have the pho soups that you guys can get. They have food to go stuff over there in the little coolers and on the counter and stuff like that, and some little snacks and stuff that you guys can get. It's really cute. It's a cute little place. Alright, you guys, we'll be right back when our sandwiches come. Here's one of them. That's yours. That's the char-boiled chicken, right? That's what you got?
Yep.
Oh, this. Nice.
So, the food has a really good flavor inside. The vegetables taste nice and fresh. The meat is good as well. It has nice flavor, good pork. And I like it. And the bread is nice and crunchy too.
Is it crunchy on the inside and soft in the middle? Ooh! Wow! Alright, so this is how mine came. I get to deck it up how I like it. Ooh! Ooh! Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like that. Look how runny that egg is. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna do. Like this. This. I like these. These are yummy. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna put some of that in there. Yep. Some yummy cucumber through there. Can you see it? Hmm?
Yeah.
Okay. And Chad says they're not spicy, so we're gonna try a little bit of them. He's probably secretly lied to me. And then the best part, which is my favorite part, is gonna be this jiggly little piece of egg. We're going to shove it right back. Woo. All right. There we go, guys. Okay, how do I do this?
I don't know.
It's a pretty big sandwich. All of them are about 6 to 7 inches, which is good. They're on the French baguette bread. And let's take a bite down at this end. All right, trying to get the egg in there. There, that's better. All right, here we go. It's kind of okay. That was just a little bit of the egg and the bread, which is good on its own. But here comes the meat and the cucumber and the sauce. That's pretty good. I haven't had one where I had to kind of put it together myself. That was quite a cool experience. I liked that. I like the crunchiness of the bread. I like the egg runny. Maybe if you don't want it runny, you can ask for them to cook it well done. Little pork patty. I think that's what it was. I'm gonna look at the menu and correct myself on that. That little pork patty in there tastes fresh. I like the crunchiness of the bread. My favorite part is the egg. I like the egg runny. Everything's pretty good. The mayonnaise and I think it was like Pate. I could have pronounced that wrong. It was a good combination together. The cucumber's in there, nice and refreshing. I think everything's pretty good. I like this sandwich. This is a really good Vietnamese sandwich. I like it. It's nice. I think it's just right. Okay. So number 85 is the one that I got. And I was right, it is pork. It's a pork meatloaf. And I like those. Those are really good. And the sandwich is $6.99. And that spread that I put on there is called, maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong, but Pate. Pat, whatever. Anyway, but that's what it was. Chad, what'd you get?
75.
78.
8.
Chad got number 78, and it's, how much was it? His was $4.50. Not bad. I think that's a fair price. You know? Yeah. Those are some pretty good fair prices. They're pretty decent sandwiches. I like them. Come here and give it a try. I recommend it. Chad, do you recommend this place? Yeah? He's done with this sandwich already.
Yeah.
Was it good? Yeah. Nice. Alright. Well, continue here. Don't go away. We got Tiger Sugar milk tea to show you guys next after this place.
Yes.
Alright, you guys. Chad, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready for Tiger Sugar?
Yeah.
Woo! Okay, we're gonna try this Tiger Sugar place. It's a Asian drink. So let's go. Ready? Come on, let's go. You guys ready? Let's go. What you waiting for? Oh, for us to go there, huh? Alright, you guys. So we're here, and this young lady is gonna give us some recommendations on how, because we haven't been here before or anything like that.
Number 5 is our most popular one, the signature drink. It's a mix of regular boba and the pearl. Pearl's like the mini boba.
Oh,
Yeah, so they have
okay.
different sizes.
Oh, cool. So number 5.
Yeah.
Number 5 is a black sugar boba. I don't know if you can see it up there's a little glare, but we'll show you anyway. It looks like they have a couple different options of drinks. And here's like a lot of them are milk teas, right?
Like most of our drinks, like the signature ones, are just milk, no tea.
No-
and
oh,
the tea
okay.
latte is like tea on the bottom and milk on the top, so it's similar to a milk tea.
Oh, I see. Okay. Well, cool. Well, I'm gonna try your most popular
No
one, number
problem.
5.
So one number 5.
Yeah. You guys have, you guys just have regular teas also. If you guys don't
Yes.
want the milk or anything in there, they have, you have regular,
We
like
have
green
black
teas.
tea, green tea, and oolong tea.
Right. Okay. Sounds good. Cool. All right. Well, we're gonna make our order and we'll give our review on it when we get our drink.
So this one's the green tea latte with cream, and this one's the number 5, our signature drink. So it has the tiger strips on the cup. Yeah.
That looks so yummy. Nice.
So remember to shake it well before.
Shake it well. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Yay. Awesome. Ooh. That was a fail.
Try again. There you go.
First drink. Cheers, guys. Cheers, Chad. Cheers. Woo! I'm not sure. It's not bitter. It's just it tastes creamy.
Yeah.
Like milk with just a little bit of sugar in it. I mean, it's good. Tastes refreshing. The boba and the pearls in there are really chewy. It tastes like a little bit of brown sugar. Let's taste Chad's. What was yours?
Green tea with cream.
Sorry for the loud car that just went by, guys. Come over this way. Okay, say what was yours again?
Green tea with cream.
Alright.
Aroma. Yeah. These like milk and green tea.
Okay.
That's basically it.
Basically it?
Yep.
Okay, let me taste. I kind of like that one better, to be honest with you. I like how it has like you can taste the green tea in there, and then you get like a little refreshing like cream, like cream added. Just exactly like it was.
Yeah.
Described and everything. I like that one a little bit better. All right. Well, anyway, Chad and I switched. He likes mine better, and I like his better, and everything. So we got to get out of the parking lot. We're here at Tiger Sugar. I mean, as for the drink that I got, it's not horrible, but it wasn't exactly what I expected to get. You know, I kind of expected like, I don't know, kind of sweet, creamy. It was like, tastes like milk with brown sugar in it. I almost feel like I could have made that at home. They were really nice and everything in there. I appreciated, you know, they were super nice in there. This is what Chad got, the green tea with cream in it, and I liked it. I like this one a lot better. It has a little bit more of a flavor. I just feel like that's just milk and sugar. All right, we're in the car, Chad.
Don't know.
I think we're both in an agreement now. As you can tell, we kind of really didn't have much of a reaction to it because it honestly, I'm not even sure how to describe it.
Don't know how to feel about this drink.
Yeah, we don't really know how to feel about this Tiger Sugar drink or the green tea with milk drink. I mean, I can taste the green tea and then you can taste the creaminess. It's not like totally horrible, but I guess just really don't know what we expected.
Yeah.
It's something that you can simply make, I feel, at home and save some money, to be honest with you.
I feel like I prefer the green tea only more.
Okay, I think I agree with that too as well. And it's like I don't know, I'm still sticking with it tastes like milk with brown sugar in it. Well, Tiger Sugar and this Vietnamese sandwich place over here is where we went today. The sandwiches were really good. We enjoyed them. And pretty fair price for that one. I think for the Tiger Sugar, it's kind of a little bit on the expensive side.
Yeah.
To be honest with you. Oh, the car's over here. Sorry, I don't know where the car is. So, I mean, I'm really sorry to say that, but the Tiger Sugar is a little bit more on the expensive side. Alright, you guys, well, that's it for our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! Alright, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye, you guys.